Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got China Glaze Accent Piece Chic Peak Bundle Monster Plate. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is China Glaze Accent Piece. It's a beautiful orange with some shimmer in it. To me this isn't quite pumpkin orange, maybe acorn squash orange, I don't know. But it's very pretty and it jumped out at me, so I decided I needed to wear it. I'm going to cap my free edge here. Formula's pretty good. This is one of those old bottles with the skinny brush though, so we're just going to make do with it. I do love the shimmer in this one though. So happy that it translates to the nail. Very nice. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so we can do some playing. And today I'm going to do a little bit of double stamping on some accent nails. And before I forget, I want to throw it out there. I'm probably not going to have a couple of videos for a couple of days. Kind of got behind on everything, so there will be no Saturday, Sunday uploads. Here's my manicure all on its own. I'll be using the Chic Peak XL474 plate and this Born Pretty light gray and Hit the Bottle Champagne Shifter. That'll be my stamping polishes. I got my Conad stamper and my beauty scraper out. And here we go. We're just going to hop right on into it. Already did my thumb. I thought I was going to do all of my nails, but just changed my mind at the last minute. And so that one got cut from the video. So I'm just picking a couple of different images off of this plate. I've had this plate for a really long time. I mean, it's labeled Bundle Monster, so you know it's old. And I just decided I had to use it. You know, it's not my twirls and swirls or foliage or flora, so these plates don't get used as often. But I thought I would use some of the geometrical designs and just, you know, crank out a different kind of manicure, at least for me. And I do love the double stamping. It looks way better up close. You'll get to see it here in a little bit. And I do like both of the stamping polishes today. The light gray worked out really well, and so did the Hit the Bottle polish. I'm really liking those. My friend Miss Becky sent them to me, and I'm loving them. I'm just kind of like crazy making crazy combos, you know, because I want to play with everything. There we go. Another reason why there's not a video for upload for Saturday or Sunday is because I've been working on a serious project in my mani cave. There we go with our cleanup. And it's taking a lot longer than I thought it would. But I've got to get it done so that I can start doing some different stuff on my channel. I've got to get through this project, the swatch stick project, and then get everything put in Excel, and then I want to start doing manicures using polishes that I have not used. So that's the goal. I'm going to top this one with the smudge free top coat. Sorry that's blurry, it'll clear up here in just a moment, but I did use the smudge free top coat from Maniology. And now we got the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. I'm going to lay that down over top of everything. Seal it all in. And we're going to call this one done. Maybe not my favorite manicure, but I sure didn't hate it. So there you go. So I do have my manicure in motion coming up here. But first, hi Woody, how you doing? And there is that manicure in motion. A little washed out, but you can see that sparkle. And my swatch photo. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this one. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.